So today all the colors I'm using is from this palette, the Colourpop You Had Me and Hello palette. And I have this eye done. This is the eye look we'll be doing today, and I'll show you on this eye. I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So the first shade I'm using here is this shade here. It's a matte taupey pink. I think it's called Fool's Rush. And just go all over your eyelid. I find that it helps me to visualize what it looks like, what my shadow is gonna look like if I keep it half open and spread my eyeshadow instead of like closing it all. Because like you see, for us Asians, or like I think this kind you call like the inner monolith, the moment you open, it's like half of it is gone. So like I like to keep it half closed while I do my eyeshadow, so I can kind of visualize where I'm putting the stuff and everything. And using a clean fluffy brush, I will just blend the edges because I don't want any harsh edges. Once you have the base and you have blended it, I'm gonna add the main color, which is this color right here. This is called the Knot. Just apply it to mainly the center part of your lid and also the back. And then fluffy brush again to like blend everything together. Next, use a really tiny brush and go into this color here. This is called Candygram, and just go into the inner corners. Okay, dip back into this shade, the Knot. I want to like smudge it underneath here. Connect with just now inner eye and just connect it here. Final step is taking this color 2-piece, right, and highlighting the brow bone. I like to look downwards into a mirror. I feel that it helps me to really go very close to my lash line. And when you're done with the eyeliner, curl your lashes. And then for mascara, today I'm going to be using the Benefit Their Real Mascara.